What prompted the sudden disappearance of red deer from Austria's alpine slopes in early 2022? Scientists were puzzled as these majestic creatures mysteriously vanished from their usual habitats, only to resurface in higher, safer areas. Days later, a massive avalanche swept through the region, devastating the very slopes they once roamed. The deer's instinctual migration wasn't mere coincidence. It highlights their extraordinary ability to sense environmental shifts. Their actions serve as a vivid reminder of nature's intricate warning system, urging us to pay closer attention to the often overlooked signals from the animal kingdom.